Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into recipe. 5 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Formula. Which means a method or procedure for achieving something. Formula. For example, the 4 foreign ministers failed to agree on a formula. Number 2. Method. Which means a particular procedure for accomplishing or approaching something, especially a systematic or established one. Method. For example, a method for software maintenance. Number 3. Plan. Which means a detailed proposal for doing or achieving something. Plan. For example, he had a new plan for raising money. Number 4. Blueprint. Which means something which acts as a plan, model, or template for others. Blueprint. For example, the Thai program provides a blueprint for similar measures in other developing countries. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.